Hello everybody, this is Colton122 here. I am back for another unboxing video. Yay! And today I got one thing from Toys R Us, two things from Target. First thing going to be this minifigure thing. Okay. I can get a let it focus. A chicken, Steve with Chanty, tamed wolf, bats, undead horse, saddled pig. On the other side is Steve with iron armor, electrified creeper, zombie, ocelot, zombie pigman, and a wither. I'm hoping to get a wither or Steve or saddled pig. Yeah. Let's open it, shall we? And really easy to open. Okay, get a box. Now let's see if we can get here. We got ourselves a zombie. Not really what I was hoping for, but I guess it's just pure luck. Hello. 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 Hi. Hi. Okay. The next thing I got from Target, and this was from Target, was the movie Turbo. It's a really cool movie. It was released like a long time ago. I know not this year, probably in 2013, 2012, or 2014. I don't know. I don't keep track of time. But anyways, let's open it. It's for Blu-ray and DVD as well. I can get this open. I'm strong. I'm strong. Come on, we need to get to the chopper now. There's my Arnold Schwarzenegger impression. Okay. Not really Arnold Schwarzenegger, but if you go to the Terrorizers channel, you can know what I'm trying to sound like. If it doesn't really come good on camera, or the voice capture, or anything like that. Just had it weird. Okay. Now you can actually look at the cover. Okay, so this is it's the best animated movie of the year. Focus. You get the point. So, from the creators of Madagascar and Kung Fu Panda comes the biggest and funniest animated adventure of the year. Along with his streetwise snail crew and his new human friends, Turbo, an underdog snail, takes on the biggest challenge ever to make their dreams come true. Dun dun dun! Okay. So, that's that. We got Turbo and the zombie. The last thing I got it from Toys R Us, was a Sonic Boom Sonic guy. So let's unbox him. Sonic is favorite character than Mario because I love being fast, and Sonic is the one who inspired me to run. I just unboxed it. Yay! Oh no! Hang on! Come on! Get to the chapel now! Oh! Oh! Oh shit, there's one on his butt. One on his butt. You can watch me while I struggle to victory. Come on. Okay. I got the head part out, but not the rest. I'm gonna have to get some like scissors or something. Wait. Oh. I could just cut these. Okay. Sonic is a really cool guy. By the way, never played with scissors. Pretty sure you all know that. Never played with scissors. See this paper off. Maybe I can put them out. Man, this is really strong. Whew! This stuff, man. I'm gonna have to light it out. Okay. There we go. Just from cutting one wire. Or what do you call it? But anyways, we have got ourselves, or myself, a Sonic toy. It's a Sonic figure. Really cool. You can run. Pretty cool. Have arms back and run. He can also, you can make his head move. Cool, isn't it? But not like all the way, sadly. You can move his arms in a 360 form. Not a 180, not a 90, not a 90 degrees, but 360. Here we go. That's all there is much to it that I know about. But anyways, I'm gonna keep him right here. Okay. Wait, actually, that might not be the best idea. Yep, I don't think he can stand up. Ah! Yep, he can't stand up. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.